début de ma vie j'étais plutôt poli, le genre de garçon qui gentiment sourit tranquille. Je demande rien à personne si ce n'est l'amour que ma mère me donne. Et puis j'ai grandi, alors j'ai compris qu'une pute de matrice voulait mon esprit, voulait m'asservir, voulait me réduire à l'état d'esclave formaté à produire. Depuis ce jour, j'ai tout fait pour fuir loin du système qui ne sait que détruire. J'ai joui du plaisir de lire des livres, d'écrire l'ivresse pour vivre libre. Mais cette liberté dont je suis épris a fait couler des torrents de mépris de la part de ceux qui n'ont plus de rêve et qui n'acceptent pas que quelqu'un s'élève. Me volgum pecus, riche en une norme plus rigide que la mesure d'un métronome, et élabore ceux qui vivent en marche dont ils reflètent sa médiocre image. Me volgum pecus, riche en une norme plus rigide que la mesure d'un métronome, et élabore ceux qui vivent en marche dont ils reflètent sa médiocre image. Je les entends encore avec leur rengaine cracher la rancœur de leur putain de haine. Alors quoi? Tu te crois meilleur que nous, mais ta vie tu verras, tu la feras à genoux. Et les plus lâches parlent dans mon dos à attendre mon retour au sein du troupeau dans l'espoir que je me casse la gueule. Voilà ce que veulent les envieux veulent. Est-ce de ma faute s'ils trient mon labeur, que leur vie ressemble à un champ d'aigreur qu'ils se résignent soumis à l'ordre établi, que leur jour agonise dans la léthargie? Je demande le droit à la différence, mais le peuple est roi de l'intolérance, car ces gens-là, madame, ne supportent pas que l'on s'écarte des traces de leurs pas. Me volgum pecus, riche en une norme plus rigide que la mesure d'un métronome, et élabore ceux qui vivent en marche dont ils reflètent sa médiocre image. Me volgum pecus, riche en une norme plus rigide que la mesure d'un métronome, et élabore ceux qui vivent en marche dont ils reflètent sa médiocre image. Et ce sont les mêmes qui aiment à geindre les mêmes, qui ne savent que se plaindre les mêmes, qui se lamentent de subir mais qui courbent les chines tels de pauvres sbires. Car il existe dans les contrées de France des gens qui se complaisent dans la souffrance, qui se délectent dans la critique des autres, qui des préjugés sont les fidèles apôtres. Ainsi affrontent-ils les affres du néant qui les façonnent en affreux morts-vivants tels les petits pions d'un grand jeu d'échecs dont l'existence se destine à l'échec. Et malgré cela, ils donnent des leçons, des relents aigres de leur soumission. Ainsi foisonnent les moutons martyrs qui détestent ceux qui veulent réussir. Me volgum pecus, riche en une norme plus rigide que la mesure d'un métronome, et élabore ceux qui vivent en marche dont ils reflètent sa médiocre image. Me volgum pecus, riche en une norme plus rigide que la mesure d'un métronome, et élabore ceux qui vivent en marche dont ils reflètent sa médiocre image.
Written through telepathy at all times, keep my secret weapon next to me. Soloist, I can't control the way I flow with this. I'm trying to save life, just like Noah did. What's the truth? Look at all these rotten fruit. All the young youth did it stem from the roots. Shady governments, they sniffing heroin and drop bombs on Lebanon. And it's gon' come. Activists, you gotta master psychiatrics or get the padded mattress. Y'all niggas been deceived. I'm talking about you, the crackheads and the thieves. We need to focus on our needs. We dying every day because we can't sustain the greed. Obese police beating niggas in the streets. CEOs, president, they all creeps. Are we certain that these churches working cause the hood's hurting? We've been tricked, find yourself, nobody's perfect. If you study properly, we all God's property. So many call, but they spread the word sloppily. Then the few, see I'm way beyond your curfew. Sticks and stone, but it's words that really hurt you. You see it's words that really hurt you.
Now you never
die. We in the days of getting high. Peace galore, S-U-N, it's all lies. Live or die. We in the days of getting high. S-U-N, peace galore, it's all lies. Shit is lies, man. Shit is lies, man. Futuristic, we realistic.
Dying thirsty from the struggle to my own hustle bubble. Dying thirsty from the struggle to my own hustle bubble. Dying thirsty from the struggle to my own hustle bubble. Dying thirsty from the struggle to my own hustle bubble. Dying thirsty from the struggle to my own hustle bubble. Dying thirsty from the struggle to my own hustle bubble. Dying thirsty from the struggle to my own hustle bubble. Dying thirsty from the struggle to my own hustle bubble.
Lit up for the get up, never give up, I'll make it up. Anybody, any party, any snitch, any figure. When I'm chillin', I'm posted. In the center, they notice, and I'm one of the dopest. And the floor is atrocious, you can die your approaches. Incorrect, get your neck with a couple of toasts. Sleep on you like sofa, shit on you like toilet. Sell, dorp, and loiter. Not worry about the case, got a mafia lawyer. Seek and destroy ya, reppin' my soil. Your plans get foiled, think we slicker than oil. Display your helmet, we quick to melt it. We bout winning, yeah, we hate failing. They so jealous cause the queen remains. From the hate refrain before I make it a slang. We do it for change and the money that flows. We from the West Coast and we don't let them hoes.
Brazilians on my arm, got me lit up like a Christmas tree. I was in the mode when they doing the centipede. Brazilians on my arm, got me lit up like a Christmas tree. I was in the mode when they doing the centipede.
Sweaty wet, if it's jumping we there. With a box full of calls, got weed to spare. Living funky but fair, you niggas better prepare. And sit your ass down in that electric chair. Shock the crowd, ain't no stopping us down. You know you thought it was over, this when I flipped the style. Projectile, 700,000. When I appear, niggas feel, wanna skip the town. Going down your for your yo, look around on the navel. If you're looking for some game, I bring it all to the table. You better come on in, I do it live and direct. Playing like you ballin', I'm living, check the check. You still expect respect, that's what the best you get. I take off like jets, I don't wait for threats. I'm on the paper quest, it's never safe to rest. I'm from the Golden Gate, the whole state is fresh. Yes, yes, yes.
Two Brazilians on my arm, got me lit up like a Christmas tree. I was in the mode when they doing the centipede. Two Brazilians on my arm, got me lit up like a Christmas tree. I was in the mode when they doing the centipede.
Doing it large, nobody in charge. Luxurious cars, furious bars, right? Keep with the stars. See you giving us ours, we be giving you yours, and we ain't keeping no score. Roll out the carpet, red and black, white and yellow. I invite the ghetto, middle class, low class. When I spit for the man, so let her throw it in the bag. Have me digging in the trash. I'm a 7D, one of them guys you envy. Cause anywhere I'm stepping, got a bad miss with me. Me and two chickies, naked as Quincy. Frisco, California, from the heart of the city. Everywhere on the west, yep, all of them with me. Down in Mississippi and Vicksburg, we pippin' for my old Aunt Hattie and my cousin Tina. All the mama and a little sky, spark the beat up.
Singing on my arm, singing on my arm. Got me lit up like a Christmas, got me lit up like a Christmas tree. I was in the mode when they doing the centipede.
The advantage of prescription drugs is medications that doctors prescribe, or how dangerous can they be if the doctor is prescribing it. They're made by reputable manufacturers, so you know, unless it's a total counterfeit, you know that the quality is there. And that gives it a leg up on street drugs, because anytime you buy a street drug, anytime you buy heroin or cocaine or marijuana, you don't know how potent that is.
Relax, wait for the medicine to kick in. Everything is different, shit that you were just in. Bickering and fussing, feeling indifferent and waiting for instructions. Get with the program, little kid to old man, no longer known as own fam. Hold hands, village of the damn, those we don't speak of. They serve fiends at Walgreens, money making machine to get it by all means. He took a pill to get it up, she took one to kill the baby. He took one to keep him sane, she took one to make her crazy. Drink until she pretty as the magazine cover. Dragging the nicotine, bag of the sticky green. Have another, get lost in a vivid dream. And these are for the pain. You sell them down the street and scratch off the name. It's the chemical romance. Hold out your hand, it's all about the scam. Chemicals, they got us feeling identical. Brainwash, watch the way they get at you. Chemicals, they got us feeling identical. Brainwash, watch the way they get at you. Chemicals, it's all chemicals. Chemicals, it's all chemicals. Check the ingredients, everyone's obedient. It's synthetic, you can get it with a little medicated, constantly elevated. Sit back and watch reality on TV. From Pusha to MD, it's not free, but it's legal, so it's okay. Come and get a habit with a $5 copay. Dawn of the dead, the body snatched. Took him to get big, she took him to lose weight. He took him to go to sleep, she took him to stay awake. Took him to stay alive, but it's killing her inside. Check the side effects before you say goodbye to stress. Remember who you are before there is nothing left. Up the dosage for the mediocre living upset.